Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati was a prominent Hindu philosopher, social leader, and founder of the Arya Samaj, a reform movement of Hinduism. Let's talk about brief biography of Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati. Early life. Born 12th February 1824 in Tankara, Gujarat, India. Original name Mool Sankar Tiwari. Parents Karshanji Lalji Tiwari, father, and Yasoda Bai, mother. Parents' occupation. His father was a wealthy tax collector and influential Brahmin. Education. Early education in traditional Hindu scriptures and rituals. At the age of 14, he accompanied his father on an all-night vigil at a Shiva temple. He left home at the age of 21 to pursue a life of asceticism and search for spiritual truth. He spent many years traveling and studying with various religious teachers. He eventually came under the tutelage of Swami Virjanand, a blind scholar who taught him the importance of returning to the Vedas as the foundation of Hinduism. Marriage life. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati did not marry. He was engaged in his early teens, but he decided marriage was not for him. Achievements. Founded the Arya Samaj in 1875, advocating for a return to the Vedas as the pure and infallible source of Hindu Dharma. Published Satyarth Prakash, The Light of Truth, a seminal work outlining his philosophy and critique of contemporary Hindu practices. Traveled extensively throughout India, debating religious leaders and promoting his reformist ideas. Established numerous Arya Samaj schools and institutions to promote education and social reforms. Challenged traditional Hindu practices such as idol worship, caste system, and untouchability. Advocated for the equal rights of women and their access to education. Significance and impact. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati was a major force in the Hindu reforms movement of the 19th century. His teachings and the Arya Samaj played a significant role in the Indian Renaissance and nationalist movement. His emphasis on the Vedas as the foundation of Hinduism helped to revitalize Hindu identity and pride. His social reforms contributed to the modernization of Hindu society. Legacy and impact. Written to the Vedas. Dayanand Saraswati believed that the Vedas were the ultimate source of truth and that Hinduism had strayed from its original purity. Monotheism. He emphasized the belief in one God, rejecting the polytheism of popular Hinduism. Rejection of idol worship. He argued that idol worship was a later corruption of Hinduism and that true devotion should be directed towards the formless God. Social reform. He advocated for the abolition of the caste system, untouchability, and child marriage, and promoted the education and empowerment of women. Date of death 13th October 1883. Conclusions. Maharshi Dayanand Saraswati faced significant opposition and criticism for his pharmacist ideas. He was the target of assassination attempts and faced social ostracism. Despite these challenges, he remained steadfast in his mission to reform Hinduism. If you have any question or suggestion, then write to us in the comment. See you in the next video. Have a great day.